Glass baking dishes are a staple in any kitchen, offering versatility, durability, and an aesthetically pleasing way to prepare and serve meals. Whether you're baking lasagna, roasting vegetables, or whipping up a classic casserole, the right glass baking dish can elevate your cooking experience. In this guide, we've rounded up the best 5 glass baking dishes on the market. Number 5. NutriUp's 2.4 Cutie Square Glass Baking Dish, 9x9 and Square Baking Dish, Square Baking Pan, Glass Baking Dish for Oven. About this item, made from tempered glass, NutriUp's Square Baking Dish can withstand temperatures between 482 degrees Fahrenheit and -4 degrees Fahrenheit, cook in the oven, store in the refrigerator, reheat in the microwave. Perfect dish for make-ahead meals and for transporting meals to events. Safe for your family. One of the biggest benefits of baking, cooking, and storing foods and liquids in glass is that it's non-porous. Never worry about food, germs, smells, or any nasty chemicals seeping into these glass baking dish. It is one of the most hygienic kitchenware you can use. Clear glass matches everything. The square glass baking dish makes a nice, attractive presentation. It also lets you monitor the baking process and prevent overcooking. Side handles ensure a firm grip and make transportation a breeze. Good size for daily use, 9-inch in diameter, without handle, x 2.1 in height. Capacity, approximates 74 ounces, normal capacity. Ideal for fruitcake, lasagna, casseroles, meatloaf, brownies, banana bread, and all your favorite savory or holiday side dishes. Microwave, oven, freezer, dishwasher safe. This glass baking dish is oven safe up to 482 degrees Fahrenheit. Dishwasher safe or hand wash for quick, easy cleanup. This would make an ideal gift to anyone who enjoys cooking or baking. Number 4. Mini 1.5 Cutie Glass Baking Dish for Oven, Single Serving, Glass Pan for Cooking Dish, Casserole Dish, Rectangular Baking Pan, Glass Bakeware. About this item, made from tempered glass, NutriUp's oven glass pan can withstand temperatures between 482 degrees Fahrenheit and -40 degrees Fahrenheit without worrying about thermal shock breaking it. It can be transited directly from freezer to oven, perfect dish for make-ahead meals and for transporting meals to events. Much safer. One of the biggest benefits of baking, cooking, and storing foods and liquids in glass is that it's non-porous. You won't have to worry about food, germs, smells, or any nasty chemicals seeping into these glass baking pans. It is one of the most hygienic kitchenware you can use. This replaces the crappy metal tray that came with the toaster oven. Complement your baking arsenal. The clear baking pan makes a nice, attractive presentation. It also lets you monitor the cooking process. And transparent properties as throughout their service life. Mini baking dishes for small servings. 10-inch LX 6.5 WX 1.9H, 1.5 L capacity rectangular baking pan. Please kindly notice the size. The small glass baking dish is great for small baking needs and suitable for baking in a small toaster oven. Perfect for making small casseroles for 1 to 2 servings, multifunctional, perfect for casseroles, stews, lasagna, brownies, cookies, and all your favorite savory or sweet dishes. Number 3. Anchor Hocking Glass Baking Dishes for Oven, 8-inch Square Glass Cake Pan with Trufid Teal Lid. About this item, includes, this glass bakeware set contains 1. 8-inch square baking dish with an airtight teal Trufid lid, durable. This tempered glass bakeware set is microwave, preheated oven, refrigerator, freezer, and dishwasher safe. Plastic lids are BPA-free and safe to clean on the top rack of dishwasher. Safe, Anchor Hocking baking glass is healthier than metal and plastic. It will not warp, stain, retain smells, or leach dangerous chemicals into food, made in the USA. Number 2. OXO Good Grips Glass 3QT Baking Dish with Lid. About this item, strong, borosilicate glass construction for freezer to oven use withstands extreme temperature changes without the risk of cracking or shattering. Glass won't stain or absorb odors and is easy to clean. Leak-proof, yes, generous handles on dish provide a safe and secure grip. Slosh-proof BPA-free lid prevents spills and allows stacking. Convenient dimension markings ensure you're baking with the right size. Dish is microwave safe, dishwasher safe, freezer safe, and BPA free. It won't stain or absorb odors, and it's easy to clean. Number 1. Pyrex Deep 9x 13-inch glass baking dish with lid. Deep casserole dish, glass food container, oven, freezer and microwave safe, clear container. About this item, deep baking dish, 9 by 13 inches baking dish. Pyrex baking dish is 50% deeper than traditional casserole dishes so that you can fit more layers. This is the perfect container for birthdays, get-togethers, and all manner of crowded events, great for on the go. This deep container is easy to transport by way of its side handles. The BPA-free plastic lid allows for a firm grip, avoiding slips and spills. Long-lasting, high-quality tempered glass is dishwasher, freezer, microwave, and oven safe that resists stains and does not absorb food odors or flavors. Non-toxic LID. BPA-free plastic lid is freezer, microwave, and top rack dishwasher safe. No need to hold back when warming your food or storing your leftovers for tomorrow. A trusted brand, loved for generations, experienced cooks and beginners alike have reached for Pyrex brand glassware products because they're affordable, durable, and great for all their cooking, serving and storing needs.